guys, I'm Raksha. I hope everyone is doing well. In this cold climate, I bought a very cold thing to your cold concept. So that is known as how to manage a font in your mobile. Overall, in the WhatsApp everywhere, how to manage a font in your mobile. So that is nothing, but it will take some 2 minutes. Yeah. So that's it. Go through the
So
video
guys,
and
first of all,
watch
you
it.
have to open the app called Theme Manager for Humai, Honor, and Know You. So this is the theme app which you can create the front style, and not only for this companies. You can go through more also. So first I'll open the app. First you have to install the app. So I have installed already. So I'll open it. So when I'll just come into the app, it will come like this. So has the wallpaper and the font. It will come so many design. The font you'll be having. It's really amazing. I want to see. It's amazing, guys. Really, there are so many collections, and in the app you'll be getting more. So if you want to know what are and all are there in this app, go to in the comment section and type there what do you need. I'll make a video for that also. So now I'm going to front style. So I'll open a font. Okay. I like to download this one. So for getting this, you can see here, get this font. So press it, give allow, and wait for a moment.
Is your phone filling up with photos and videos and feeling slower by the day?
So now give okay, now give download, click to install. So now how to apply a font. So it will just give you a small correction to do it. This is how you have to go to your mobile theme app, and you have to do, please press open theme. So I'll just open the theme. Where you'll be getting the theme means in your mobile only you'll be getting a app called theme. So I got here the app called theme. So I'll just open this. So what you have to do here, I'll say you that go to me. So me, you can see here now me. So after going to me, here you'll be getting what and all you have downloaded themes. So I have downloaded this dancing script theme. So here you can see apply. So I'll just apply this, applying theme. So yeah, success. So I have applied the theme successfully. For the reference, I'll just go to the Google. So here you can see the design of the theme. It looks amazing. What and all you wanted to do, like there are so many options. That's what I'm saying. Go to the comment box. What I have to do, give the topic. I'll do it and I'll post in the YouTube successfully. So you can see here the theme. So it's the front is amazing. The font is amazing, I can say you. And if you want to download more themes, so just you can go through this app. So this is the well-known app. You can just go. There are so many. Really, I'm saying it's amazing when you will go through them. So I'll be getting it. So thank you all. So that's it, guys.
I hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up. And if you want to say some suggestion or appreciation, please say in the comment box. And if you think this is helpful to someone, please share the video. And below in the description box, I'll be giving every my videos links and my Facebook link. Please follow our channel School Library. Keep following our family. And that's it, guys. So subscribe to my channel, click the bell button for every update. So thank you all. Till then, wait for my video. Till then, bye bye, take care.